Welcome. If you're tired of seeing those little red unread message badges on Discord and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to hide the unread message badge on Discord web using your PC, all updated for the latest version. First, let's get started by opening up Discord in your web browser. Simply type discord.com into your address bar and log in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see your usual Discord home screen with all your servers and chats on the left. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and avatar, and right next to them, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up your user settings. Inside the user settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all your notification preferences. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Enable Unread Message Badge. By default, this option is usually turned on, which is why you see those red badges piling up every time you get a new message. To hide the unread message badge, simply toggle this option off. Once you've switched off Enable Unread Message Badge, Discord will immediately stop showing those red notification dots on your server list and direct messages. You can now browse your servers and chats without any distracting badges pulling your attention away. That's all there is to it. With just a few quick clicks, you've customized your Discord notifications for a cleaner, more focused browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make your Discord experience even better. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, badge-free Discord.